My grandma made the best fruit cobbler, so today we're making Grandma Hart's cherry cobbler. We're going to start out with a shaker cup, and we're going to put our flour in, and then our sugar. We have some baking powder there. A little bit of salt. And then our milk. Just pour that in there and put the top on it. Put that top on it nice and tight because we're going to shake it really good. Make sure we get all of that flour and so forth, the dry ingredients off the bottom and all mixed in. Once we finish shaking it and we're good, we're going to fill a tin with cherry pie filling. Now this is like a Comstock cherry pie filling. It's a canned pie filling. And you can use cherry, blueberry, apple, whatever. So we're going to pour that batter that we made in the shaker cup over across the top. Just kind of pour it in there. We're not really going to care how it goes. Just kind of spread it out a little bit. But we're not going to stir it at this point. We're just pouring it in. Get as much of that stuff out of there as you can. And cover that fruit. Now we're going to take a butter knife and we're going to make some figure eights in that batter. Pull some of that, gel, that juice up into the batter. But not too much. We still want to keep most of that stuff underneath. We certainly don't want to combine it. We just want to kind of make little lines through it. We're going to put it in a 450 degree oven for about 15, maybe 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. God, my grandmother made the best cobbler. Now I have a link for this recipe in a printable PDF file in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I would so like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.